Good afternoon, everybody. So today I'm gonna paint my wheels on my Fiat Abarth. Reason why I'm doing it is because it gets dirty every time I use the car. So not every time, but you know, a couple thousand miles, 100 miles or so, it gets really dirty and all scratched up anyway. So I'm just gonna do a bronze paint color. That way I don't have that white and white contrast. A lot of people like it, but for me, I kind of want to have that contrast. It's a preference thing. It looks good though. It looks nice like that, but I've had it for a while where it gets to a point where it's dirty like that. You know, it's, look at that. I cleaned this wheel a couple of days ago, and this is it now. I live in LA, but you know, I don't know why. Anyway, I'm gonna paint it, repair it, because it's all scratched up anyway. Digging the white, but time to paint it. I mean, it's not a permanent paint anyway, so I'm gonna do a bronze color on my Fiat. Kind of cool like that, but I'm gonna make it a little bit more meaner looking. My car's not a rally car, so you know. I'm gonna show you guys how to quickly paint it, and I'll tell you what paint I'm using. So first off is spray it. Clean it with a towel, damp towel. Take out all the dust. These tissues, paper towel, whatever. This is why I'm painting it. You see this yellow, I don't know if you guys can see it or gals, there's this yellow spotting on it already, like from old age. Anyway, it won't come off, so I don't like it. And all this little grime that's stuck on it, take it out, but I don't want to deal with that all the time. Anyway, after you get all the dust, let's go ahead and wipe it off with a clean towel. The reason why I'm not sanding the wheels is because one day if I don't like the bronze, I can just scrape out all the old paint. Anyway, that way it comes out smooth and shiny. It's a preference. If you guys professional painters out, we're not professionals, so I'm just doing this in my backyard. Anyway, I'm gonna use a Rattle can to paint it. So basically, I'm using three paints. I'm using a brilliant metal finish. It's an outdoor paint that goes to the metal, wood, whatever. I'm using this as a base right here, Rust-Oleum metallic paint primer in one. This is a flat chestnut color. I mean, preference color, you guys do whatever you want, but this is what I'm using. And this is kind of a another metallic bronze. And for the final coat, I use this one. This is a bronze from Duplicate Color. They're about $7 a can. I used for 3 of these. And this, because it's white, I needed a base, because if you spray this directly, it'll take a lot of coat. And this one, they have a better grab on the paint. They grab really well because they're outdoor and they might last longer on the car. And this is my final coating. That's about it. And then show you guys how to put the mask around it like this, and just insert it in between the tire like that, piece by piece like this. Patiently, don't rush it. You want to cover it as much as you can, you know. Cut it this size by my hand, just tape around it. And then you're gonna tape the outside as well with the I have a 2-inch tape, box tape. So just do that. All right, guys. And after you do it, just spray away. I already cleaned this one. You can see the imperfection on the rims. This is the reason why I'm reconditioning it with a new paint. And this tar right there, they don't come off. You have to scrub it hard. I don't have time for that crap. Anyway, see all that imperfection, and this is already wiped down for like 30 minutes of wiping it down. This is the front tire, so it's a lot dirtier. I cleaned the inside and to be painted. So I taped it around, guys, like this inside the wheel. And I put a bigger tape outside too, so I don't overspray it. Let me take it off. freaking tape. Okay. And then it's a little bit overspray, but you know, clean it up later, and that's how it is. See all the scratches right here. I didn't want to sand it down and spend all that time and just spray over it and clean it up. And it looks cleaner now. So when the brake dust comes around, at least it's not going to be as dirty on white. I like the white look, but I'm sick of cleaning my rims. And that's it. And then I'm going to do the next one. So this is the finished product. Then that's the other side. I'm digging this because it has a contrast better. Like it. So for you guys out there that's thinking of painting their Fiat 500 bronze, there it is. Feast your eyes out. Alright guys, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and thumbs up if you can. Thank you.